Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and today we are going to discuss some of the latest off-campus hiring drives and positions that are available for you to apply to. So most of these are going to be software and tech-oriented positions. If you wish to always stay updated with all such openings and recent positions that are available for you to apply to, then you can definitely consider subscribing to this channel and also share it around with some of your friends who are looking for a vacancy right now. This is definitely going to help them stay updated and apply to the appropriate profiles. And there is also a lot of material for you to prepare and know about your interviews, especially in the software tech side. So that is definitely going to be helpful. And let's directly move on to the openings one by one. And for every single position, I have attached the links to apply to those in the description box, so you can go ahead and check those out as well. Okay, so the first one right now is from Cisco, and this is for a software engineer role, network embedded or application development. So these are three different business units at Cisco, and you can choose any one of these. And this is for a new graduate, so students for 2021 graduates, 2021 batches can apply to this one. The job location will be Bangalore, and this is the job ID that you have to apply to. Job description, you can just read about this one. Is the same description for every application on Cisco. So recent graduate or on your final year of studies, bachelor's or master's in computer science, computer engineering, electrical, and minimum CGPA should be 8.5. Requirement is for 2021 and 2022 pass outs, so both are eligible for this one. Solid understanding of computer science fundamentals, which includes, of course, your data structures, algorithms, and core concepts. Then strong knowledge of programming, scripting languages, problem solving skills, written and verbal communication skills. And then there are three different categories or business units that you can apply to. Your networking protocols team. So for that, these are the points that you need to keep in mind. Then your application software. So read about this, and then embedded and system development. So whichever one matches your profile or interest the most, you can apply for that one. And this is only for 2021 and 2022 pass outs, so be sure of that. And to apply, just click on this button, fill the forms, and then you'll probably receive a test link if your profile gets shortlisted. Okay, the next one is from Book My Show, and this is for quality analyst trainee. The job location will be at Bangalore, and experience required is none, so even freshers can apply for this one. Your profile is going to look like this, what you're going to work with. So prepare test plans, and then write test cases, corner cases. Then after that, execute test cases and document the results. Maintain bug records in a bug tracker tool like Mantis or Jira, and then troubleshoot bugs, other technical issues, timely and quality release of the product, then identify risks and all of that. So this is more of a support or a test engineer profile. And your checklist, what you should fulfill is knowledge of web tracking, web application testing, then good knowledge of testing app on various different devices of different OS and screen sizes, good communication skills, knowledge of automation testing. So that's all. And to apply for this one, you just need to fill this form that is mentioned on the side. It asks for your first name, last name, email, number, portfolio URL, which can be your Behance profile if you have any, or GitHub or blog website, anything. Then years of experience, if you're serving notice period, then the duration of that notice period. And then current CTC, expected CTC, city, company, that's it. And you can attach your CV and resume and click on this button to apply. So that's it for Book My Show. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so next is basically a codathon or a hackathon that is currently going on for the hiring of Lowe's India, and this is an algorithm challenge. 0 years of experience, so even freshers can apply for this one, and multiple openings are there currently. So this challenge will start from June 12 and end on June 13. So there's still a lot of time, but you can register now itself. And they have also mentioned the CTC range. So to know more about the challenge, this is first of all the eligibility criteria. So graduation year should be 2022. Only those students are eligible. Branches are BTech and BE, so any bachelor engineering branch, anywhere from India, and computer science, information science, electrical, all those are eligible. Then your challenge will be as per this format. So on June 12th and 13th, you'll have your online challenge. This will consist of 2 programming questions on data structures algorithms and 10 MCQ. And then you will be asked your preference in job roles, which is the one that you need to go for, software engineer or data analyst. And then round 2 will be separately for whichever profile you've chosen on June 19th and 20th. So this round will consist of 2 programming questions on data structures algorithms for software engineer role, and MCQs on data interpretation for data analyst role. So depending on your interest, you can choose either one of those. For the software engineer role, they have currently 70 openings at job location will be Bangalore, and then the CTC and everything. So these are some of the points that you need to keep in mind, your responsibilities, and the tools that you'll be working with. And then preferred qualifications are bachelor's degree in computer science, 1 year of experience in software development. And then this experience is not really required because it's for people graduating in 2022. So if you have an internship, then that is definitely going to help. And this entire thing is for the software engineer role. If you want to go for the data analyst role, you can click on this and read more about the data analyst profile as well. After that, they mentioned something about the company as well, and something about the guidelines of the test and the FAQs. So to register for this, you can just click on this particular link and be ready for the test on 12th and 13th of June. So that's it for this one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next one is from Tower Research Capital, which is basically a high frequency trading firm. And it's one of those companies that has the highest compensation package for the software engineers out of every other company. So this pays almost the most that you can think of. And this one is for a C++ software developer role. So Tower Research generally works a lot with C and C++, and the job location for this one will be at Gurgaon. So these will be some of the responsibilities as part of your profile, and then the qualifications will be software development experience in C++ or Java, problem solving abilities, manage multiple tasks in a fast paced environment, communication skills, working knowledge of Linux, and machine learning is a plus. And interest in financial markets, of course, because that's what it majorly works with. Your benefits will be 5 weeks of paid vacation, cab facility, health club allowances. So basically, this is not for not an internship role, so not for students who are currently enrolled. This is for graduates only. So 2021 and before, all the batches can apply for this one. And to apply, you just need to fill this small form. It asks for your name and then email, phone number, CV, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and that's it. A very small form, and you can just click on submit. So that's all for this one. Definitely a very, very good company to work for. The job is definitely very challenging, but the pay scale is almost equally good. So definitely consider applying for this one as well. Okay, so next is from Red Hat. There are actually two opportunities from Red Hat right now. First is for an associate software engineer internship, and the other one is for a software quality engineer internship. Both are internship roles. So I'll just quickly go over both of these. So for software engineering internship, your responsibilities will be to contribute to software and test development for open source Red Hat OpenStack cloud solutions. You will be programming in Python mostly, and perform test development using a variety of DevOps tools. Then your required skill set will be working knowledge with Python. Python is what you're going to be working with mostly as part of this. And then troubleshoot problems, fast moving technical environment, good verbal and communication skills, and that's not mentioned a lot honestly. But this is all about Red Hat, and to apply for this particular software engineering internship role, this is the job ID 86477. Job location will be at Pune, and since this is an internship, this is only valid for students who are currently enrolled. So 2022 and 2023 batches can apply for this one. I'm not sure if 2021 can also apply. Probably as part of your last semester you can intern, but you can definitely consider filling the form once and click this link to apply for this one. And we'll also talk about the next one now. So this one is for a software quality engineer. This is also an internship, and as part of this, your responsibilities will be to research the functionality, develop test scripts for automated testing, run manual tests, execute automated test cases, debug, and then perform maintenance of automated test tools. So everything that has to do with being a test engineer or quality assurance engineer. Required skills are background in Linux and basic shell scripting, bash scripting skills, then object-oriented programming concepts, verbal and communication skills. That's almost all that there is. Debugging, troubleshooting, analytical skills. So to read more about the company, you can visit their official website, and then this is something that they mentioned. And to apply for this one, click on this link. Job ID for this is this one, 86486, and location is again Pune. So that's it for both the opportunities that we have from Red Hat. Okay, so that's all that we had for now. These were the positions that we're currently recruiting, and you can apply to whichever ones match your profile if you are eligible for that particular position. And that's all. If you want to always stay updated with all these positions and preparation content on software engineering jobs and technical interviews, how to prepare for off-campus experiences, all of that, you can consider subscribing to my channel, and do share it around with your friends in your college groups. That might really help a lot of other people to be more aware about different opportunities that are currently taking place. And the links to all of these positions can be found in the description box below. So just check those out and apply for whichever ones you want. And that's it for this video. I'll soon be coming up with more opportunities in my next video as well.